Right, we picked up a little bit rain again. Not too much en route to Koster. Just I don't even know what I'd call it, a light, very light rain. Let me push my visor up because I think that's getting in the way of the microphone possibly. There's a lot of wind noise. I'm travelling a little bit faster towards 90, 3,500 revs. A car wants to come past me. But I don't want to dilly-dally too much. But the bike's handling quite wonderfully. I think there is a bit of a crosswind, so I feel it a little bit from time to time, getting, just nudged, but nothing kind of dramatic. She's sitting really beautifully on the road, very comfortably, 95 k's an hour now, just over 3,500 revs. All good. I'm going to put my visor down, which creates a bit of a, I think it creates a bit of a noise when I put my visor down. The way it's whatever. There's something, a crosswind coming from the right. All right. See you later.